Hello students, I welcome you to this class. Here we will study about active and passive voice. So let's start. First we will learn present tense. Here a table is presented before you. In this table we get about tense, the structure of active and passive voice, and the example of active and passive voice. With the help of this structure, active and passive voice, how the sentences are constructed, and it will be very helpful to you that you understand the construction and the construction of passive voice, and you make it into passive sentence. In simple present tense, subject, first form of the verb, object. Here in example, Rama helps Hari. When we change into passive voice, we follow this structure, object plus helping verb plus third form of the verb by subject. Here Hari is helped by Rama. Now present continuous, subject is RM plus for ing form of the verb plus object. The mason is building the wall. When we change into passive voice, we follow this structure. Object in the place of subject is RM plus being and third form of the verb by subject. Here the change into passive, the wall is being built by mason. Now move to present perfect. In present perfect, we write subject, and according to subject we use has and have, and third form of the verb plus object. Students, always remember, in present perfect tense we use third form of the verb. Here I have finished my homework. In passive voice we take object in the place of subject, then after we use has and have according to object plus been. Remember it, we use been with have and has in passive voice. Third form of the verb by and subject. My homework has been finished by me. So students, with the help of this structure and this example, learn it 3 to 4 times whenever it is needed for you. Pause this video and try to understand the structure and the example of active and passive voice. Second, we study past tense. Here for the past tense, table is presented before you. The same table, first we will get tense, the structure of active and passive voice, and the sentence of active and passive voice. In tense, we will study simple past tense, past continuous, then after past perfect tense. In simple past tense, the structure of simple past tense is subject plus second form of the verb plus object. So before you, the example is presented. The peon opened the gate. This is the second form of the verb, open. The second form of verb is opened. So the structure of passive voice, we take object in the place of subject plus was and were according to object, and third form of the verb by plus subject. Here the gate was opened by the peon. Now past continuous. In the structure of past continuous, subject was and were according to subject, ing form of the verb and object. A gardener was watering the plant. When we change into passive voice, we take object in the place of subject, was and were according to object, plus being and third form of the verb by and subject. Here the example of passive. The plant was being watered by a gardener. Move to past perfect tense. Subject had. We use had in past perfect tense and third form of the verb plus object. Here the example, I had drawn this picture. When we change into passive, we follow object in place of subject, had, and we use been with had, third form of the verb plus by and subject. And the construction of passive, here the example, this picture had been drawn by me. So one by one, with the help of structure and with the help of example, student read and understand it and compare it what the changes had been done between the sentences. Now third, future tense. Here table is presented before you. The same table as we had studied in simple present tense, simple past tense. Now in tense we will study simple future. The structure of active and passive voice, example of active and passive voice. First we will study simple future, future continuous and future perfect. In simple future, we write first subject, will and shall according to subject, verb, first form of the verb plus object. Here example, my parents will take me to the party. When we change into passive, as we had used in two tenses, we use object in place of subject, will and shall according to object. Be, remember it, we use be with shall and will. Third form of the verb by and subject. I will be taken to the party by my parents. Now move to future continuous. Subject, will and shall, be, ing form of the verb and object. I will be studying my lesson at 5 p.m. The structure of passive, object, will, shall, being, third form of the verb plus by plus subject. My lesson will be being studied by me at 5 p.m. Future perfect tense, subject, will plus have, third form of the verb plus object. They will have finished the work before the deadline. When we change into passive voice, we follow this structure. Object in the place of subject, will have been. Remember students, you remember it? We use will have been with this. Third form of the verb and by and subject. So here the answer will be the work will have been finished before the deadline by them. They will be changed in them when we use in passive voice. So students, with the help of structure and examples, read one by one each and every sentences of simple future, future continuous and future perfect tense and try to understand what the changes had been done between the sentences and compare it and practice it regularly, so it will be easy that you understand it well and you read it properly and practice more with the help of many other sentences. You try to change it into passive voice and follow the structure of these that is given before you in the tables. With every tenses, the table is presented before you and the sentences and the structure. So students, read it well. Thank you.